Ice. Winter storm? Yeah, right. That doesn't happen here.
Philip should have listened to the weather forecast, and so should you, by the way. This weekend, all the forecast models are calling for some pretty significant ice, snow, and freezing temperatures. So, here are some ways you can prepare. First, make sure you have plenty of bottled water and food. Remember, unless you have gas stovetops, you won't be able to cook if your power goes out, so plan accordingly. Also, keep your fridge and freezer slightly colder than you normally would. Yes, colder. This keeps food safer longer if your power does go out. Have your faucets and water spigots drip slowly to prevent freezing. Charge your phones, your power banks, laptops, radios, flashlights, etc. Bring your animals inside. When there's a winter storm, there's no such thing as an outdoor pet. Fuel up your vehicles before the weekend and bring them into the garage if you have one. Have alternative lighting ready, like candles, flashlights, etc. Check on your neighbors, especially the elderly. You never know who might need a hand. If you have a prescription to refill, get it before the weekend, ideally before Friday. Have lots of warm clothing and blankets ready, as well as firewood if you have a fireplace. Oh, and don't forget to open the flume if you use that fireplace. Speaking of safety, be careful with space heaters and candles. Don't leave them unattended or near flammable objects. Oh, and do not drive unless you absolutely have to. You remember the 2014 snowpocalypse, right? Yeah. So, stay safe and stay warm, Paulding County.
I can't believe it's this cold.
Well, don't worry. It's Paulding County. Next week, for some reason, it'll be 70 degrees.